Have you ever wanted to find out how many devices are currently active on your network? Most people either download third-party network scanning software or manually ping each IP address one by one, which can be time-consuming and inefficient. But what if I told you that Windows already has a built-in solution? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple Powershell command that can quickly scan your network and identify all online devices without installing any additional software. Whether you are a IT administrator or network engineer, this trick can save a lot of your time. So let's get started and see how it works. The first thing you need to do is open Powershell on your Windows computer. So go to Start menu and type Powershell, and after that open Windows Powershell. Once the Powershell open, you need to type this command on your Powershell. Now let's understand how this command works. At the beginning you can see 1.254. This defines the range of IP address to scan. In the other words, the command will check every IP address from 1.12.254 on your network. And next you will see the test connection 10.10.10 and here 10.10.10 represent the network range that I am scanning, and hash underscore automatically replace with each number from 1 to 254. So the command will test the IP address like 10.10.10.1, 10.10.10.2 and so on. Finally, if any device is online, the right host here, the right host part is command will display the IP address on the screen, and this allow you to quickly identify all the active devices on your network without installing additional software. Now I'm going to press enter. Now as you can see, the 10.10.10.1 is online and it is showing over here. And now I'm going to scan a different range on my network, and that gives you a better understand. So here on this part I'm going to scan 192 range of IP. So I will open my router page. As you can see, from 192.168.0.165.2, if I'll scan from this range to 192.168.0.179, then I'll get 3 IPs online. So let's see it is working or not. So what I have to do is, first I have to change the range. Okay, I will scan from 165 to 179. Okay, now in this connection I will type the range of IP, that is 192.168.0 range of IP, and also right host. If it is online, it will show over here through this command 192.168 and then 0. Now if I press enter, let's see it is working or not. So as you can see, it is already showing 165 is online. So through this way you can scan your entire network. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys on the next one.